Hi guys, I am Kalyan. So in this video, I am going to discussing about my task given by the Sparks Foundation as part of my internship in the domain of the data science. So as part of my internship, so I am going to predict the scores working by the student by the number of hours. As part of my task, I am going to predict the scores or marks gained by the students based on the working hours by the worked by the student. For that, I am using a scikit library and linear regression in the data science. So without any further delay, let's discuss about the code. So I have used Jupyter Lab for this task. So this is the block of the code where I imported all the packages required for my code, and this is the block of the code where I am importing my data and I am specifying my URL for the data. So this is the URL where all the data is present. So I am importing data into the variable s underscore data and printing the top 10 records from the data. As part of this code, I am giving x-axis with the hash and y-axis with the scores, and my style is a star mark in which the plots of the graph are denoted by the star mark. If we want to denote it by any circular shapes, then we can give this O there in the style block. So all the points in the graph are denoted by dot symbol. I am giving my title as hours versus percentage, and X label as hours studied and Y label as percentage score. As you can see in the graph, we have all the details which I have mentioned above, and I am using show method to show the graph. As we can see from the graph, we have the positive correlation between the percentage score and hour study. So now I want to prepare the data for the prediction of the scores from the hours of the data. So that's why I am getting the values of all the hours into X variable and all the scores from the Y variable. So as part of the prediction of the scores, we are dividing our data into training and test sets, so that for that we are using train test split method. So in this part of the code, I have used that. So we have given the four variables xtrain, xtest and ytrain, ytest, and we are using the function train test split method and passing the parameters into this function. By that we are storing all the data into our four variables. After that we want to train our algorithm based on our data. So I am using linear regression for that. I am creating an instance of linear regression into the variable regressor. So I am fitting my trained data into xtrain and ytrain into the regressor function. So I am printing that to verify that my training is complete. Yes, my training is complete. In the next block of the code, I am creating a linear regression line for my graph. For that, I am adding coefficients of x and intercept, so that I am storing into the variable line. So I am going to plotting the graph between x and y, in which we are already stored our data in the x and y variables. So I am plotting this and showing this graph. So as we can see, this is also a positive correlation as we see this graph. So both are same, but we are using linear regression to represent this graph. So now this is the main task of this task. So we are making predictions using our explicit data, predicting the x-test using the regressor.predict function. So I am passing x-test variable where we have created the x-test variable here. So all my x-test will be printed here. So now I am creating data frame using pandas from the actual data and my predicted data. So this is the data frame which we got from our data frame method. So you can see here, as you can see in the data frame, here is the actual score gained by the student. This is 20, and the predicted score gained by the student is 60. In this block of the code, we have mean absolute error. That means it will show the approximate error in our prediction data. So if we add our mean absolute error to the predicted values, we get the approximately actual answer. So if we add 4.18 to 16.88, we get approximately 21 score. So we have a difference of 1 because it has a positive correlation. So this is how I am implemented this predictive analysis based on the number of hours worked by the student and predicting the scores. So I am successfully implemented this code using scikit-learn module and linear regression functions. Thank you.